Hello, everyone. Welcome back to SN English Practice. Are you ready to improve your English vocabulary? In today's lesson, we're going to learn 30 useful English words that start with the letter F. I'll explain each word with a simple meaning dot and an easy example sentence. So grab your notebook and let's get started. Focus. Meaning.
Concentrate on something.
Example.
She focused on her studies before the exam.
Daily use sentence.
Always focus on your goals.
Flexible. Meaning.
Able to change or adjust easily.
Example.
Our office has flexible working hours.
Daily use sentence.
Be flexible when plans change.
Familiar. Meaning.
Well known or recognized.
Example.
His face looks familiar.
Daily use sentence.
I'm familiar with this software.
Fascinate. Meaning.
Attract or interest someone greatly.
Example.
Science has always fascinated me.
Daily use sentence.
Different cultures fascinate many travelers.
Feature. Meaning.
Feature means an important part or characteristic.
Example.
This phone has many useful features.
Daily use sentence.
The best feature of this app is its simplicity.
Fortune. Meaning.
Fortune means great wealth or good luck.
Example.
She made a fortune through her business.
Daily use sentence.
Good fortune comes with hard work.
Foundation. Meaning.
The base or starting point of something.
Example.
Honesty is the foundation of trust.
Daily use sentence.
Grammar is the foundation of English.
Frequent. Meaning.
Frequent means happening, often.
Example.
He makes frequent business trips.
Daily use sentence.
Frequent practice improves your English.
Function. Meaning.
The purpose or job of something.
Example.
The function of the heart is to pump blood.
Daily use sentence.
Do you know how this machine functions?
Fulfill. Meaning.
Achieve or complete something successfully.
Example.
She fulfilled her childhood dream.
Daily use sentence.
Work hard to fulfill your goals.
Forecast. Meaning.
Predict what will happen in the future.
Example.
The weather forecast says it will rain tomorrow.
Daily use sentence.
Experts forecast strong business growth this year.
Faith. Meaning.
Strong belief or trust in someone or something.
Example.
She has faith in her abilities.
Daily use sentence.
Have faith in yourself and never give up.
Favor. Meaning.
Favor means an act of kindness or help.
Example.
Could you do me a favor?
Daily use sentence.
Can you do me a small favor, please?
Fearless. Meaning.
Fearless means without fear, very brave.
Example.
The firefighter was fearless during the rescue.
Daily use sentence.
Be fearless when facing new challenges.
Fascinating. Meaning.
Fascinating means extremely interesting.
Example.
The documentary was fascinating.
Daily use sentence.
Learning a new language is fascinating.
Finance. Meaning.
The management of money.
Example.
She works in the finance department.
Daily use sentence.
Learning basic finance helps you save money.
Flourish. Meaning.
To grow or develop successfully.
Example.
Small businesses can flourish with good planning.
Daily use sentence.
Practice every day and watch your English flourish.
Fame. Meaning.
Being well known by many people.
Example.
The singer achieved international fame.
Daily use sentence.
Hard work is more valuable than fame.
Fitness. Meaning.
The condition of being healthy and physically strong.
Example.
Regular exercise improves your fitness.
Daily use sentence.
Fitness is important for a healthy life.
Failure. Meaning.
The lack of success in doing something.
Example.
Failure teaches valuable lessons.
Daily use sentence.
Don't be afraid of failure, learn from it.
Future. Meaning.
The time that is yet to come.
Example.
She is planning for her future.
Daily use sentence.
Your future depends on what you do today.
Frustrate. Meaning.
To make someone feel upset because something is difficult or doesn't work.
Example.
Constant delays frustrated the passengers.
Daily use sentence.
Don't let small problems frustrate you.
Forgive. Meaning.
To stop being angry with someone for a mistake.
Example.
She forgave her friend for being late.
Daily use sentence.
Learn to forgive and move forward.
Formal. Meaning.
Official or suitable for serious occasions.
Example.
He wore formal clothes to the interview.
Daily use sentence.
Use formal English during business meetings.
Former. Meaning.
Previous or earlier.
Example.
He is the former manager of the company.
Daily use sentence.
She met her former teacher yesterday.
Forward. Meaning.
Towards the front or ahead.
Example.
Please move one step forward.
Daily use sentence.
Keep moving forward in life.
Fragile. Meaning.
Easily broken or damaged.
Example.
This glass is very fragile.
Daily use sentence.
Handle fragile items with care.
Freedom. Meaning.
The right to act, speak, or think freely.
Example.
Everyone deserves freedom of speech.
Daily use sentence.
Education gives you the freedom to choose your future.
Fresh. Meaning.
New, clean, or recently made.
Example.
I bought fresh vegetables from the market.
Daily use sentence.
Start every morning with a fresh mindset.
Friendly. Meaning.
Kind and pleasant toward others.
Example.
Our new neighbor is very friendly.
Daily use sentence.
A friendly smile makes a good first impression.
Fantastic! Practice these words with your friends and family, and try to use them in your daily conversations. Want to learn 30 powerful G words? Let me know in the comment. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to SN English Practice. See you in the next lesson.
Bye-bye.